Hello guys, I'm Jim. Now I want to show you how to get VPN free on the PCs. You can follow me step by step, okay? Okay. We go to VPN free. Oh, this one free for you. Yes. You can search VPN setting. Okay. Okay, I want to show you how to add the first. Now, connection name, you can put any that you want. And then copy the server name. A VPN name, VPN type. Okay. Username and password. Yes. Username, copy paste username. And password we cannot copy. This is pictures. Can save, yes, and then we connect. Yes. Okay, thank you that you are watching for this video. You can try the best for the VPN free on your PC. Thank you.